Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and the Google account you'll use selected in advance. Open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Chats, and choose Chat Backup to begin. This screen shows local and cloud options. Make sure your device battery is above 50% or plugged in, because backups can take time. Once you're on the Chat Backup page, check Google Drive account and decide whether to include videos that affect size and duration. Now configure how backups run. Tap Backup to Google Drive and pick a frequency that fits your data needs. Daily keeps things current, weekly saves space. Make sure the correct Google account appears. If not, add it via Android account settings and return. Decide whether to include videos. They increase upload time and data use, so include them only if necessary. When ready, tap Backup to start an immediate cloud upload and a local backup on your phone. Once the backup finishes, confirm the timestamp shown in WhatsApp so you know it completed successfully. Then, open Google Drive and check Backups or the WhatsApp folder to verify the file exists. This ensures you can restore later. If the backup fails, make sure Google Drive has enough free space, your Wi-Fi is stable, and WhatsApp has storage and account permissions. If problems persist, sign out and back into the Google account, restart the phone, and retry the backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.